Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If the square or one square represents 3 items and cost of this figure, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square is equal to $45.60. Then what is the total cost of this figure? And this figure contains, we will count the squares later. So first of all, this square is representing 3 items. Means if one square is there, it will represent 3 items. So the cost of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square is given. Therefore, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The cost of this 8 square will be equal to 8 multiplied by 3 items, which is equal to 24 items. Now, it is given that the cost of this 24 items is equal to $45.60. Now, from figure, we have to find the cost of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 squares. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This 12 squares represent 12 multiplied by 3 items, which is equal to 36 items. So, we have to find the cost of this 36 items. Now, we will use unitary method. So, by unitary method, we can find out the cost of one item, because we already know the cost of 24 items, which is 45.60. So, we will divide this by 24 to get the cost of one item. Now, we have to find the cost of 36 items. So, the cost of 36 items is 36 multiplied by 45.60 divided by 24, which is equal to $68.4. So, $68.4 is our cost of 36 items, and this is our answer.